Hey everyone. So where are we?
We are in Salt Lake City.
Oh yeah, we're at Salt Lake City. Sorry, we're originally from California.
Yeah, and I've never actually been to Utah. Have you been to Utah?
Yeah, I have. I was here. Oh, I didn't tell you. Yeah, because one of the compromises I made in my relationship is learning how to ski. So my boyfriend was skiing while I was not.
Okay. Did you go to Briar's Head?
I was in the Airbnb the whole time.
Oh, okay. Well, I love skiing.
Okay, I learned. Anyways, you're not here.
Sorry.
So we're at the Women's National Conference, but Alexus and I work together. Yeah. So Alexus, who are you?
Hi, I'm Alexus Russell. I am the Supplier Engagement and Development Program Manager for California and Hawaii American Water Company.
And Alexus got to work with me. Well, actually, I had the privilege to work with Alexus, I should say, doing a communications training.
Yes.
Yeah, and we just did, details are not going to be shared, but we also did a little therapy session too.
Yes. She's great at all of those.
Well, most specifically coaching, but I was hired on to do communications. You've worked with other speakers as well. What made me stand out as I was facilitating with your team that you want to share?
Yeah, so can I give them a little background about? Okay, so a little background. The communications training that we did, if you can call it communications training, I think it's more than that. But anyways, was with the California Water Association, which is a different agency of water, private-owned, investor-owned utilities. Mm-hmm. And so we have a committee that we're very close-knit, and we like to do a lot of professional development. So that's a little bit of backstory. So not Cal-Am specifically, but close enough, California Water Association. Anyways, so California Water Association typically does hire a lot of different outside people to do either like branding presentations or our own personal development that we do as a committee. And so I would say the one thing that stuck out, I actually met Elaine at WeBank
a year ago. This is our 1 year anniversary.
1 year. And she came up to our table, and it was so interesting because where was it last year? New Orleans? Irrelevant. Either way.
Yes, it was New Orleans.
Okay, so either way, being a California person, when you go to like meet and greets, especially with corporates, and you're meeting different weebies, usually I'm expecting people to be local in the area. So I always sit at the table not thinking anyone works in California and no one has any tie to California. And Elaine does this really great presentation, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love her energy, her spunkiness. Like, she spoke really well. She was super articulate. And not only that, I'm pretty sure I said, no one probably wants to hear from me because I'm in California. And she's like, don't say that. We all want to hear from you. And like, so nice. I don't know. So I ended up like immediately emailing her that day. And I'm like, I'm serious. Like, I have this opportunity I think you'd be great for. And she was also so responsive. I will say this is not meant to be a tip for other people, but the amount of people that I meet that I'm like, no, please send me an email. Like, I'm serious. Please send me an email. And they never send me an email, never follow up. And it's like, just on that, like showing up immediately, but also kind of respecting space. She's like, hey, I'm going to check in with you. I wanted to send this email, but I know you just got back from a conference and I just got back, so we're doing a little bit of unwinding. Anyways, she was great. It was definitely just that initial reaction, like, of meeting her and just her energy, her spirit, her aura, and also how you spoke about your own branding and the relation to being women of color. There were so many nuances. I think we had a really great phone conversation too, like a couple of weeks after that.
Well, I was asking you for a testimonial. I didn't expect all of you to have like our love story.
Oh. Sorry, I'm just being honest.
Well, mind you, I did do a communication training.
True.
So,
I guess that's fitting.
Well, you got to experience me to facilitate. How was it? How was your experience? What do you want to share?
Yeah, so the one thing that I really appreciated, I felt like Elaine did research. So everyone on the committee is not on the same company. So that's kind of why I gave a little bit of backstory. Mm-hmm. We all have very different backgrounds, all have very different organizations, all are very different in terms of also ourselves and who we are as individuals, program managers, etc. And so I felt like Elaine did a really great job of finding a commonality in each person and really speaking to that. So like speaking to myself, being a Black woman, being that place of being imposter syndrome, some of my other colleagues that are maybe not as confident public speaking or communicating in general, definitely like fine-tuning it and customizing it, but also on the fly. Like, it's not like you have like a dossier of all of us and you're like, Alexus, born here, does this. So it was definitely that tailoring that I think made it really special. And then also they know about your conscious conversations, obviously. But that element too, because there's so much like Did it die?
No. Keep going.
Oh, sorry. I think so much of that is also psychologically backed in how we communicate to each other and like receive feedback and how we also present. And so I think that takes it a step further than just the usual believe that you are important and what you're saying is important and speak. It's like, that's great.
Thank you. I always tell people I'm more than a motivational,
Yeah.
inspirational speaker. What would you like to share with people who might be interested in hiring me as a facilitator or speaker?
I think for people who might be interested, sometimes we like to say, oh, I can kind of speak, or I don't have a shyness, or maybe I don't really, like, I'm not that bad. I think I can do it. I think it's still so important to do it because there's so much that even I learned. I never really thought, I'm pretty sure I told you, I didn't think that I was someone who struggles speaking. I never had a problem with that. But still, I mean, even in my therapy session that I just had with her before, you can tell in terms of the communication, the things, the level of openness, that I think that connection will still bring so much more impact into what you're speaking that you get with someone like Elaine than you do from just a typical motivational speaker. So I think even if you're feeling like, oh, I don't really think I need it, you can make yourself go from being like a first class to like top class in communication.
Okay, so
She didn't pay me to say that.
No, and I will not be providing private jets to all of you. Thank you, Alexus.
You're welcome.